In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn picture into circle in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a clean circular photo you can use for profiles, team slides, or any polished presentation layout. Start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. You can use the web version or the desktop app, but I'll reference the web interface here. Once the site loads, sign in with your Microsoft account so your work saves automatically. If you see a prompt to choose where to save files, just confirm your OneDrive or the default location so everything stays organized. After signing in, create a blank presentation. This gives you a simple canvas with nothing in the way. If a title box appears, you can leave it or delete it later. Our focus is the image. Now go to the Insert tab at the top. This is where all your media tools live. Choose Pictures, then select this device to browse for a photo stored on your computer. Navigate to the image you want to use, click it, and insert it into the slide. If your image is large, don't worry, you can resize it at any point. Click the picture to make sure it's selected. When you do, you'll see the picture format options appear on the ribbon. Open the Picture Styles gallery. This is a quick way to apply frames, shapes, and effects without manual masking. Look for the circular or oval style in the gallery and apply it. PowerPoint uses an oval mask, and if your image is square, that oval will render as a perfect circle. If the result looks more like an oval than a circle, make the photo perfectly proportional. With the picture still selected, check the size section on the ribbon and set the height and width to the same number. Matching those values forces the mask to display as a true circle. You can also resize from a corner handle to keep proportions while you adjust placement. Drag the image to center the subject inside the circle, and use the corner handles to fine-tune the size so it fits your layout. Take a moment to align the circular photo with any text or other elements on your slide. Keeping consistent margins and equal spacing makes the design look intentional. When everything looks balanced, you're done. The rectangular photo is now a neat circular image, ready for your presentation. That's it. You searched for PowerPoint, signed in, created a blank presentation, inserted your picture, opened Picture Styles, and selected the circular style with quick adjustments to make it perfectly round. Save your presentation and you're all set.